In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Notion's marketplace, specifically focusing on utilizing it for article writing and research purposes. Let's start by opening a web browser of your choice. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you're in the browser, go ahead and type Notion into the search bar. Hit Enter, and within the list of results, you'll find Notion's official website. Click on it to access the main Notion page. Once the main page is loaded, you'll see a button labeled Login at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this, and if you haven't already signed into your account, you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you're new to Notion, make sure you've set up an account beforehand. It's a seamless process and will just take a couple of minutes. Now that we're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Marketplace, which is often used for discovering various templates and tools within Notion. This is a fantastic way to explore the range of resources available to aid in your productivity. You'll find the Marketplace option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Marketplace, there's a wealth of templates and tools at your disposal. But for today, we're focusing on article writing and research. In the search field, type article writing or research article. This will filter the results to show templates related to these tasks. Select Article Writing Job from the list of available options. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed page where you'll find an Add button. Click this to incorporate the template into your workspace. By adding the Article Writing Job template, you're equipping yourself with a structured workflow, which is incredibly beneficial for managing writing projects. Next, you'll be directed to the Article Writing Job dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to browse through the various options and tools it offers. The dashboard is highly customizable, enabling you to tailor it to fit your personal or team's writing needs. You can add tasks, set deadlines, and even integrate tools for collaborative writing and review processes. This step is crucial as it allows you to maximize the efficiency of your writing workflow. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to leveraging Google and Notion for enhancing your article writing tasks. Whether you're embarking on a solo writing project or coordinating with a team, this method will surely streamline your process. Thanks for following along, and we hope this tutorial helps boost your productivity and creativity. Stay tuned for more guides and tips on optimizing your tech tools.